So if you're trying to get Crunchyroll student discount, there are two major ways you can go ahead and do so. So the first major way is going to be by automatically applying for annual billing. Generally, what happens is fan plan is priced at $7.99 a month, but when you get a yearly bill, what happens is it drops down to $6.66, which is a major discount. If you get the mega fan plan, which is billed annually, this average or roughly comes down to 8.33 rather than the standard 9.99 a month, and so on. The second way you can go ahead and do so is going to be by using student portals for promo codes. So you can simply go ahead and use these softwares or websites like Unidays, where you can simply go ahead and sign up as a student in order to go ahead and get multiple exclusive student deals and benefits, which will definitely go ahead and help you out. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.